Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the most awaited challenge of this season, that is June challenge for the weight loss to help you lose almost 7 to 8 kgs in just 30 days. Yes, this diet plan is a challenge oriented diet plan which definitely helped lots of my clients to achieve their targets in just 30 days. In the month of June, you can achieve this target too. Now, if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or go to the description box below. You will see a link there. Click the link and you will reach directly to me on WhatsApp, and then we'll start our diet plans from there itself. So without any delay, let's get started with June challenge for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in just 30 days very easily with this challenge. So let's start with our early morning drink. Empty stomach, you will be having, of course, your early morning drink, which is basically a diuretic water. I'll be giving you two options for it. The first option is you can always prefer to have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water and have it empty the stomach. Now it really helps you balancing your pH levels and also for your weight loss as well. It has showed great results for my clients who have diabetes issue to lower their blood sugar levels as well. Second option, if you cannot have this because of any reason, is you can simply have lemon chia water. All I've done here is taken a glass of lukewarm water. To this I am adding half a squeezed lemon and along with that some chia seeds. Mix it well and have it empty stomach. Now this works amazingly well to boost your protein levels and also to boost your detoxification in the morning itself. So you can have these options for your early morning drink. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. For breakfast, I'll be giving you two options here. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. In summer season, you want something, of course, cooling in nature but very quick to prepare as well. So I've shared the recipe of mango oatmeal, which is basically very easy to prepare. All I've done here is taken some oats, dry roasting them, adding some water for the consistency, and then adding some milk to make it all come together. Now simply pouring it up in a bowl, and then over this I'm adding, of course, chopped mangoes. I'm also adding some chopped strawberries. You can skip as per your own choice. Along with that, add lots and lots of seeds as per your own choice. Along with that, also if you feel like adding some honey, you can always drizzle some honey over it and have it for your breakfast. This gives you a good amount of protein as well and great for your weight loss as well. And mango lovers can fulfill their mango cravings as well. Second recipe is for all of those who want to have something protein rich but yes, very warm in nature as well. So first, for the vegetarians, you can always have 3 egg whites omelette loaded with lots and lots of seasonal vegetables like mushrooms, capsicum, bell peppers, and make sure to make a fuller omelette out of it. Along with that, have a cup of black coffee or black tea to help you with digestion as well. Second option is for all the vegetarians out there who cannot have this, then you can always have simple and very easy to prepare 1 or 2 moong dal chilas. Extremely low in carbohydrates, great for protein content also, and great for fiber intake also. I have shared the complete recipe of how I prepare moong dal chila. Very easy to prepare. You can pre-prep the batter as well and have it for your morning. And trust me, this gives you a good amount of protein also and satiates your cravings also. Now let's proceed towards our simple and must required mid-morning snack option. For this, I'll be giving you, of course, anti-inflammatory drink, which is loved by all of my clients in this season because it's hot outside. So definitely we'll be having lassi or chas. I've shared the complete recipe of how I prepare my mint lassi, adding, of course, 2 tablespoons almost of ghar ka bana hua dahi. To this, I'm adding mint leaves, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, ice lots and lots of it, and blending it all together with some water. And your tasty and healthy anti-inflammatory drink is ready to have for your mid-morning snack. If you cannot have this, then always try to have 1 glass of fresh, locally sourced coconut water. It helps you with your electrolyte levels and also satiates your hunger pangs also. And trust me, you will definitely feel a great skin benefit with this if you start having coconut water at least thrice a week. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options for this diet plan. For lunch, I'll be giving you easy to prep, easy to carry also, but yes, very healthy weight loss recipes. The first recipe that you'll be having for lunch is simple and very easy to prep: idli and sambar. Yes, you can have rice idli or suji idli, or you can have even ragi idli as per your own choice. 2 big size idlis are good to go for your lunch. Along with that, have a good full bowl of vegetable sambar, and plus have along with that, of course, if you like it, so coconut chutney. But not to forget lots and lots of salad along with this. We will definitely make sure that our plate consists of almost 100 to 200 grams of salad along with this. Cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever you want to chop along with that has to be there. This satiates your hunger pangs also and gives you good fulfilling lunch option as well. Let's proceed towards the second option for this diet plan. Is for all the rice lovers out there. Whoever likes to have rice in their lunch can definitely have it, but we'll have it in a very weight loss manner. So I'm giving you the recipe of brown rice pulao. Super easy, super convenient to prepare. I'm adding lots and lots of vegetables prior to the pulao to make it more fiber rich. Brown rice is always better than white rice in weight loss because it helps to lower your blood sugar levels and also does not provide too much of insulin spike when it comes to your food intake, and also it helps you with your option for low glycemic index food. So do try out to have more of brown rice and white rice for your weight loss journey. Have it along with a full bowl of raita, and of course salad is mandatory with every meal. It helps to lower your blood sugar levels. So do try out this option for your lunch. And now we proceed towards our mid-evening snack option. If you do feel hunger pangs happening between your lunch and dinner time, mid-evening snack satiates those. The first option for mid-evening snack option is you can always have a cup of freshly brewed green tea. It helps you with your antioxidant levels and great for weight loss. So you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Along with that, have approximately 30 grams of roasted makhana. In simple, we'll roast the makhanas in a little bit of desi ghee, no salt over it at all, just black pepper powder, and have it for your mid-evening snack. If you cannot have this option, then you can always have a good full bowl of watermelon or melon during this time. It helps you with your hydration benefits and of course satiates your sugar cravings as well. Approximately 250 grams of watermelon you can have or melon in place of it. And now we proceed towards our dinner option for this diet plan. For dinner, I'll be giving you 2 options out there, best for weight loss, and trust me, you can see the transformations on screen. Clients have been following these recipes for a longer time and they have seen a great weight loss happening, and so can you. The first option is loved by all of my clients. You can always have paneer tikka. I'll be giving you the recipe of paneer tikka in air fry. You can always use a grilling pan as well for the same. As you can see, for paneer tikka, I'm marinating of course paneer along with some capsicum or bell peppers you can use, and along with that you can also add onion. Make sure to marinate it for approximately 1 hour, or you can even keep it before your day starts. And I'm putting it in an air fryer. You can always use a grilling pan for the same. The link is given for all of these things out in the description box below. Best grilling pan is available online. You can check it out in the description box below as well. And now, simply let it roast for at least 4 to 5 minutes and you're good to go to have your tasty and delicious paneer tikka. It can always be replaced with chicken as well, but I always suggest in summer season prefer to have more of anti-inflammatory foods, and trust me, you'll see a better weight loss happen. And now we proceed towards our second option for whoever cannot have this recipe. Then you can always follow simple and easy to prepare no bread sandwich. I've shared the complete recipe of it, which requires hardly 4 to 5 minutes to prepare this thing. I've prepared a besan batter like you do of besan chila in a toaster like this. The description to buy this toaster is also given in the description box below. And simply I'm pouring up my besan batter. To this I'm also adding a paneer filling. You can skip as per your own choice. And then I'm again layering it up with the besan batter. Properly cook it for both the sides and your tasty and healthy no bread sandwich is ready. You'll fall in love with this recipe and try to make every recipe with this thing because it's very easy to prepare and takes hardly 4 to 5 minutes to do it. Do try out these options and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post dinner. This drink is very mandatory to have because it helps you not just with the weight loss but also to hydrate you throughout the night. And also people suffering from insomnia, bad sleep and cannot sleep well throughout the night should definitely try out this option, which is a cup of freshly chamomile tea. Chamomile tea helps with not just relaxing your body for the entire day but also to lower your cortisol levels as well. My clients have seen amazing results with the help of chamomile tea, so do try out this option for your bedtime drink. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can simply have ajwain or jeera water before going to bed. It really helps you with your hydration benefits and also to help you with your postpartum weight loss. People suffering from water retention, swelling, bloating do see a great change when they start following and having ajwain or jeera water before going to bed at least twice a week, and see the magic yourself. As it's peak summer season, make sure to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with your hydration benefits and also to give boost to your your skin benefits as well. And if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or click on the given description box link and reach out to me directly on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss journey with me. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. You can always ping me on my Instagram and reach out to me for more discussions, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.